Come on, let's go. Woo! Thicket. Where my girls at? Back? Hi. Let's go. And we're back to the water, where I know that dog is loose. Come on! Whew. Man, in the spring this would have been Tick City. Hi! Let's go. Go! Come on. Keep it moving. Keep it moving. The deaf one here, she has a great nose. She uses it for far too much. Man, some of these plants. Keep going. This is the great thing about, you know, walking around in Michigan. It's not much that could fuck me up down here where I'm walking, you know. Some spiders. Nothing bad. Some ticks in the spring, but I mean, really, there's nothing out here that can really get me. The Massasauga's basically a landmine. I mean, you got to step on it, and where we were walking, they wouldn't be anyways, so yeah, fun place.